Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in prerequisites, a kicker with high penalty accuracy and composure, steady connection, and your preferred shot meter. First action, place the aiming reticle toward the corner, not full stretch, aim just inside the post. Then begin the power input. Charge between 60% and 75% to avoid skying or weak chips. While charging, observe keeper movement. If keeper shifts early, you can alter placement last moment. Once done, release cleanly and follow the keeper's dive to judge. Now refine execution. Mix a single subtle feint or a 0, 2-0, 4-second pause before release to bait decisive keeper dives. This timing disrupts AI and human keepers. It forces commitment so you can exploit the opposite gap. If the keeper leans left, immediately nudge aim 10 degrees right and release with your preset 0, 6-0, 75 power. Keep rhythm varied match to match. Practice the pause until muscle memory lets you change direction without losing power control or accuracy. Complete by committing to the safer corner if you've scored earlier. When under pressure, choose placement over power. If a shot is saved, immediately switch to the opposite corner and add roughly 5% more power while keeping aim inside the post. Make sure to calibrate touch input and consider switching meter style if misses persist. Troubleshooting tip. If keeper blocks low repeatedly, use a low-driven or subtle chip read from the keeper's posture. Not random power increases. Adjust and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.